Hey, Ren's so cute.
Thank you.
He looks friendly and has goals far beyond your comprehension that will do anything to make sure that the goal that is beyond your comprehension is met. Great character. Gigantamax Fuzz the cat, Water cat, Lightning cat, Fire cat, Sun cat, Moon cat, Leaf grass cat, Ice cat,
Fairy cat!
Your Evolution OK Special Cute, a supposed Flipnote archive project, is very nicely done. Fuzz. Dude, how is the finger movement so good? Legitimately amazes me how people manage to make great animation on a DSi program released 13 years ago.
Somebody get the professor! I need help! Cool!
Okay, keep up, I will support you.
Still creating Flipnote.
Copper like a better option for the characters.
What the viewer chooses, we get different endings.
Well, looks like we may be turning back the clock. Just a little bit. And now we can decide whether to change a thing or two. Wow, you'll find something useful in this room.
Don't!
Where is it? Where is SpongeBob? Oopsie, did I take down your video? Uploading an original piece of animated content that took you months of hard work? You really are an idiot.
Bring it back.
Did you really believe we would let you be successful by working hard and being passionate? Whoa, we can't have the kiddies watching your video now, can we? Cartoons are for babies, and babies have to be protected.
Bring it back.
We've taken down your video and given you a second strike on your channel. And you know the rules, baby. 3 strikes and you're out. You should stop now before it's too late. Go make some vlogs or do some storytime animation. And don't you dare say any naughty words. If you do, oh, we are coming after you. Oh, and if the appeal you submitted to get the video back, we rejected it, big boy. You'll never change, you know. If you want your video back, you're gonna have to fight for it. And your precious Moody, you'll never animate ever again. You are done, Narmak.
I said, Bring my video
Impossible. How can this be? We've taken out his veil, pushed him into a corner, but he continues to fight. Usually when we do this, the Queen is great, but this guy, him, his friends, his fans, and all the Queers are fighting back. On top of that, the hashtag is trending. Hashtag change Twitter enemy aims to destroy the goodwill. He's trying to build up recently. Just how big is our booty? Fiddle sticks! Be gone, Narmak. Your Jim Sherry's ultimate technique! Never take responsibility first! Oh my god! What is this? It's mine! Mine!